What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you 3 settings to boost your gaming experience on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features, and then scroll down and here you will see a gaming hub button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, go back to your home screen and open the gaming hub app. Now after opening the app, click on this 3 dot more icon, and from here tap on game booster. So here you will see a save power during touch protection button, so tap on this button to turn it off. And now the third and last setting is tap on game optimization, and from here select performance. So after customizing these 3 settings, your gaming experience will be better. So that's how you can boost your gaming experience in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.